Hello, my wonderful fourth grader students. I am very happy to see you again because it's been a while. I hope you had a nice, long, relaxing break and you're ready to get back to work and make some more art with me. If you notice, outside it snowed a lot and it keeps snowing. So our project this week is inspired off of the weather outside. Here is my example. You could make it a self-portrait or a portrait of someone else, that's up to you, but it is of someone from the nose down holding a cup of hot cocoa, maybe some hot cocoa mixed with coffee, some white cocoa, whatever you want it to be, that could be what is in your mug. This project, we will be able to work on different textures as well as layering in a project. So we have the coat, our sleeves, our mittens, our hot cocoa, hair if you want to add long hair, and your face. This project will take 2 weeks because there are a lot of choices and steps to do. So let's get started on part 1. Here are some images of other people's projects that did this. You can pause this here, come back to this to get some inspiration for your project. We are starting our paper out vertical with a pencil. And I did a big U for the face with another U around it for the scarf, 2 starts of wavy lines for the other part of the scarf, and the shoulder lines. For the face, it is really up to you on how you do it. I am not going to be super picky on how you do your mouth. If you want, you can make it a simple smile, or you could go a little bit more challenging and do a pair of lips. The nose, it's the same way. You could make it what I did, like the triple W, or you could do a U or a upside down U with 2 dots for nostrils. That's also up to you on what you want. Here I am fixing it because all artists have parts of their drawings and paintings that they need to fix. So there we go. Now we are ready for the rest of the project. The next step is, after we have our face happy and done, is I'm going to go in with the coffee mug or the hot cocoa mug. So it's a U and then a rainbow on top, 2 straight lines going down, and a stretched out U to the bottom. And that is our cylinder cup. That's the basic cup. The next step is to do our little mittens holding the cup. So if you know what mittens are, those are the gloves that just have the little spot for the thumb, and the rest of the fingers are together. So here I have one and another. If you want your hands to be bigger, you could even trace your hands. Or if you use bigger paper, you for sure can trace your hands. But after that, we need to erase those lines because our mug is not, or mittens are not see-through. After our mugs, it's time to finish our scarf. So I added a couple more wavy lines, and I added some tassels. You don't have to add the tassels. Your scarf also doesn't have to be wavy. That is up to you. Next is the zipper or the button part of your coat. If you go back to all those images of other people's stuff, there are some that have some really cool zippers, buttons, other designs that you could do. Now that we have our face, our scarf, our coat, our mittens, and our mug, I want to add some long hair. And I'm doing some wavy, straight long hair. If you want, you could do curly hair or keep it with your hair pulled back that you don't see any hair. If you have short hair, you don't even need to worry about it. This is sped up because you know the drill. Once you are happy with your pencil line, it is time to Sharpie it. I did go back in and erase all my pencil lines to make it nice and neat. This is as far as I want you to get today. Please do not go further than what I instructed because I have some tricks to show you how to color this in. I am so glad we have started this project, and next week, by the time we're done with it, it will look awesome. I do want to see a photo of it, even though it isn't finished. So make sure you take a photo, send it to me in Google Classroom, and I will mark it down for your participation for this week.
Don't forget, we are almost done with second quarter. So if you have any missing work from earlier in the quarter, make sure you turn that in so I can count it for your second quarter grade. Have fun. Bye.